Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your American Express Gold card effectively. First, activate your card online or via the Amex app as soon as it arrives. Next, understand its core value, earning bonus points on everyday spending. Begin by using your card for dining and U.S. supermarket purchases to maximize your rewards from day one. Also, link your card to your Uber and eligible dining accounts to start receiving valuable monthly credits. This ensures you're set up for success. The American Express Gold Card excels at earning rewards on food-related spending. You'll earn an impressive 4 points per dollar at U.S. supermarkets, up to $25,000 in purchases each calendar year. Additionally, all restaurant purchases globally also earn 4 points per dollar. For travel, you'll receive 3 points per dollar on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel. All other eligible spending earns 1 point per dollar, making it a strong everyday card. A key benefit of the Gold Card is its valuable monthly credits. You'll receive up to $10 in dining credits each month, usable at partners like Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, and Shake Shack. Furthermore, you'll get up to $10 in Uber Cash monthly, which can be applied to Uber rides or Uber Eats orders. These credits combine for a potential $240 in annual savings. Be sure to use them monthly, as any unused balance expires. To truly maximize your American Express Gold Card, always pay your statement balance in full to avoid interest. When redeeming points, explore options like transferring them to airline or hotel partners, which often yields the highest value. You can also use points for travel bookings through Amex Travel, gift cards, or statement credits. Finally, regularly check your Amex offers for personalized discounts and bonus points at various merchants, adding even more value to your card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.